Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to set wallpaper on iPhone different from lock screen. iPhone allows you to use different wallpapers for your home screen and lock screen. This feature lets you customize each screen with separate images, colors, or styles. Follow these steps to set a different wallpaper for your home screen and lock screen on iPhone. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Tap Wallpaper, then select Add New Wallpaper or choose an existing wallpaper set. Pick a photo, color, emoji pattern, or wallpaper style. Customize the lock screen wallpaper as desired and tap Add in the top right corner. Select Customize Home Screen when prompted. Tap Photo under the home screen options. Choose a different image from your photo library. Adjust the image position and appearance if needed. Tap Done to save the home screen wallpaper. Then tap Done again. Exit the Settings app and return to the home screen. Lock and unlock your iPhone to confirm that the home screen and lock screen now use different wallpapers. Note, using separate wallpapers can make your iPhones feel more personalized and visually organized. You can change either wallpaper at any time without affecting the other, experimenting with different photos and styles to create the look that suits your preferences. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.